Alright, so hey loves, welcome back to another video. So I know it's the next day and and I didn't wash my hair or nothing. We just did that mukbang, then I started talking on my phone. So I'm gonna finish my seafood today though, because it was lit. But we about to get into a wig, and so yesterday I took my wig off. I took my hair out because I was going to do some curly hair, and I was going to do it all the way to like right here, and then I was going to leave my hair out, and I was going to wet my hair and then like do my baby hairs and just have all this curly and then put it in a ponytail or whatever. I don't think I want to do that. I think I want to put on my leg wig and just press her bone straight with a middle part. So that's what we doing. Okay. Alright, so right now I'm about to wash and blow dry my hair. I'm gonna get my mom to give me some straight wigs. And I'll be back, okay? Yo, it took me forever to wash my hair. But y'all see I was playing around this whole time, but I'm finished. Finally. So we're gonna put in some leave-in conditioner. So pause. Y'all know I wash my hair and condition it with shampoo conditioner, and then we're gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner. Alright, so my battery's about to die. So let me change these batteries and then. Alright, so we're gonna put some of this infusion in. And everybody's watching her, cause she's looking. You know I'm going my miracle drops. And I keep telling y'all I haven't pressed my hair out since I cut my bangs. I don't even know how long my bangs are now. Cause it grew from the drama. Only one I need to dye my hair. Baby, tell me what's wrong. Gonna make it right. Make it all night. take some time just to be thankful that I had days full of you before it. Alright, so I'm about to go wash this wig and I shall be back. Alright, so I'm gonna spray some leave-in conditioner in here. Alright, so we're gonna put some of this cheese in here. You'll see my wig just sitting here on my head. I'm sorry, I'm not your baby mama. I'm sorry you got karma coming to you, collect your soul. So we're gonna use this L'Oreal Paris Slick It spray. It's a straightener spray. I love it. So
You end up calling me master. Say this universe is mine. Yeah. When we're done, it's a disaster. Yeah. End up like a set.
Alright, so before
In my hair and my ass, babe. But so what? Oh,
I'm so
people think
to
I'm
think of
shallow,
my
'cause
wig
I'm always
before
dressed like I'm
I
going out
fix
to the
it
club. But
because
I gotta keep up, 'cause there's new chicks popping up
I
every
need this side to
day.
go over this side.
Same thing. So I never leave the house.
Y'all, the fact that I bought this hair and this hair was 30 inches and it's still 30 inches, like, stop it. Alright, y'all, so I'm finished. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I need to finish my TikTok. I need to post on Instagram. Alexa, pause. But I need to clean up this mess. Oh yeah, this is the finished hair. It's super straight. And I told y'all it's 30 inches. 30. 30. So, yes, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will put the link of me making this wig because I made this wig a couple months ago. So, y'all, this hair is so motherfucking bomb. Like, so yeah, I'm going to put the link for me making this wig down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also hit the bell, cause y'all turn on your notifications, because y'all know since I be uploading almost every day, every other day, some days 3-4 times a day. Like, that's where we going with that one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Also hit the notification bell. Also follow me on social media. Everything's gonna be linked down below. And thank you all for watching. Thanks for all the love and support. Thanks for, y'all see that? Ooh, thanks for all the love and support. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video.